Okay guys, for some weird odd reason my camera decided to stop recording whenever I put the machine underneath the machine. I don't know why it did that, but it stopped recording for whatever reason. I don't know why. But yeah, this is going to be unfortunately a part 2 video. So it's going to be a part 2 video unfortunately, but it's better than no video at all of the finishing part. So I mean, but yeah, this will have to be a 2-part video. So as you can see, it's spinning, and we're getting close to the off mark. So this is finishing up. It ought to come to the end real shortly. And there we go. So that completes the video of this Whirlpool. Here's my neighbors. That completes the video of this Whirlpool Ultimate Care 2 washing machine. So yeah, there's the cycle signal. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, this will have to be a part 2 video. And so yeah. And also I have a dryer over here that I have not done a video on at all. But it's a Kenmore. I'll go ahead and put this in the video as well. So basically this dryer is all fixed. It works fine now. But before I changed all the thermostats. I changed all the thermostats inside the dryer, and I changed the timer. Because whenever I would move the timer or wiggle it around, move the knob, the dryer, it would act funny and act up. It would make the fan blower not work, the heating element not work. So it just told me that there was something wrong with the timer. So the contacts inside the timer were worn out. So I changed the timer and I changed all the thermostats inside of the dryer. And then since I've done that, it appears to work fine now. So that's the info on this dryer right here. So that's done. And you know, this dryer right here is for sale. It's a Kenmore as well, 500 series. This dryer is for sale. That's the price tag. Yep. So that dryer is for sale. This dryer seems to work fine. And then this washing machine right here, it appears to have gotten loud again somehow. So yeah, I don't know about that. So I'm gonna have to take this thing apart again, and because it got loud again for whatever reason. So yeah, I'll have to figure that out. But back to this thing. Yeah, this machine is going to my aunt. It works great. Everything works on it. It no longer leaks. And yeah. And as you can see, all my towels are in there. So, yeah, get these out and get tossed in the dryer. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. And make sure you subscribe and hit like. But yeah, if I have that video, I'll post the video of this machine leaking before I fixed it, took it apart and fixed it with epoxy. But yeah, that's the end of this video right here, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos like these right here. And that pretty much ends. That ends the video. So, until next time, guys. Peace out.